Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about various domain names or websites which are banned in China. Various social media and video sharing sites, image sharing and even pornographic websites are banned in China. The Chinese government chooses to do so for mainly two reasons: to control the flow of information, and next to promote local Chinese technology and to develop national internet industry. So without any further ado, let's see which websites are banned in China, what are the reasons, and what are the replacements for those websites. Google is world's #1 website according to Alexa Rank. It has variety of free services, but these services are banned in China since 2010. The main reason for blocking Google search engine and other services can be like this. To make search results on Google more accurate and targeted, Google collects our data, but China restricts collecting the data of its citizens. Also, China completely restricts pornographic content. So, in order to make Chinese app no access to porn through any search engine, Google has been banned. However, Google decided to comply with China's censorship rules and Chinese version of Google was launched. Finally, the alternative for Google in China is Baidu.com. YouTube, ranking at number 2 as the world's most popular website according to Alexa Rank, has also been banned in China since May of 2009. The alternative for YouTube.com in China is Youku.com. There is not a specific particular reason for banning YouTube, but it can be like this. China doesn't have full control related to data of the user of its citizen. Also, China don't want to disclose the information of Chinese people to such a company whose data is used by US government. Number 2. To grow local Chinese YouTube, because China's largest video streaming platforms like Youku.com, Tudao.com wouldn't be one of the world's largest video streaming website without banning YouTube in China. World's largest social networking service, that is Facebook, is also blocked in China since July of 2009. Facebook is the 5th world largest website according to Alexa Rank. The alternative for Facebook in China is QQ.com, which is owned by Tencent. The possible reasons for blocking Facebook are the reasons which I have discussed above, like sensitive data, promoting local technology, etc. But main reason is like this. During the riots in Xinjiang, Chinese activists were using Facebook to communicate and protest against the government. So, when Conservative Communist Party of China found Facebook to be the means of riot, China immediately banned Facebook with other social medias. China was well aware about the future protest that may happen to cause the downfall of Communist Party of China. So to avoid this, China immediately banned Facebook. Similarly, Wikipedia, world's largest online encyclopedia, ranking at 13th by Alexa Rank, is also blocked in China. It has been blocked since recently, April 2019. Previously, Chinese version of Wikipedia was not banned, but now all version of Wikipedia has been blocked. It was blocked ahead of 15th anniversary of 1989 Tiananmen Square protest, but China's representative claims that they have spotted a large amount of content and disinformation in the violation of China's principle, and China believes it to hamper state sovereignty and territorial integrity. The latest Chinese alternative for Wikipedia is not made till now, but it will include 300,000 entries with about 1,000 words per entry. Currently, the world's best movie and show streaming site, Netflix, has also been banned, but its exact date is unknown. There has not been any clear reason for blocking Netflix in China, but the possible reason might be China's strict censorship rules, including porn content, violence, etc. And also, emphasizement of local movie industry can be the reason. The alternative for Netflix in China is iQIYI, which is owned by Baidu.com. Next, Twitter. It has also been blocked since June of 2009. The reason of its blockage in China are also related to the data and priority to the local Chinese industry. China can't have full access to the data of these international social media, so China ended up banning this site. Its alternative in China is Sina Weibo. China also banned Instagram and WhatsApp for the similar purposes like Facebook and Twitter. Instagram was blocked in September of 2004 and WhatsApp was banned in September of 2017. Particularly, there is no exact alternative for these websites, but people use WeChat and QQ as a replacement of them. Porn sites. Obviously, without any doubt, all the porn sites are completely banned in China. It is due to the strict and crazy censorship policy in China. Pornography was one of the first reasons to ban the Google in China. Last but not the least, China have banned the product of itself, TikTok. Surprisingly, only the Chinese version of TikTok, Douyin, is allowed to run in China, not the original TikTok. The owner of TikTok, ByteDance, and China both have decided to build two apps for two different markets, that is, international market and Chinese market. Moreover, the main reason has not been disclosed by the nation over why they have banned TikTok in China. Well, these were the top 10 websites banned in China, and I hope I explained the reasons clearly. If it is so, then kindly like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give a feedback in the comment section. Thank you.